Can I start my sessions? Any queries? Fine. So let me go with the session. So in last class we had discussed what we have seen some different commands in Git, right? Okay. Discuss how to work with this Git. So we have seen. So let me go with this repository. So let me start this server. So in last I created one GitHub account, right? I said some in GitHub. So you create some dev 6 a.m. project, right? Okay. So let me go with this. So we added some files and we created some directories. Okay. Fine. So now let me work with this. The machine is started. I'll just connect with the machine. Let me connect with this. Fine. So in our earlier class, we discussed like how to install Git in our machine. Okay, we actually discussed this. What are the command you are use to install Git? Apt-get install Git, right? So Git core. So this command we were install Git on our machine. Okay, fine. And I use some different commands here to get the repository. So already we have a repository. I'll do one thing. I'll just delete this one. Let me clone the repository. How to get it? Copy this URL. And copy this URL. And what is the command to get it? Git clone and give the URL. Now I can download some code, right? You go to some dev 6 a.m. You see git log. You can see the logs. Okay. And we discussed this. For each commit, there is a commit ID. Okay. There is some commit ID. So we can get these different commit IDs. And you can see the author and commit message, right? And how to get this only commit IDs and its messages. I said git log hyphen hyphen one line, right? I said this command. So here you can get what? Only commit ID and its messages, right? And next one I said git log hyphen p will give us the code. Okay. So what are the changes that happen, whether code is added or deleted? You get the complete code changes with the help of command git log hyphen p, right? Fine. Now let me go with this branches. You see git branch. So we have a branch like master. Okay. Now let me create a new branch here. So git branch br1. So a branch br1 is created. Okay. Now let me list the branches. So git branch. It shows there are two branches, right? br1 and master, right? So what I will do is I'll just go to branch. Just switch to branch. What is the command to switch to branch? Git checkout br1. Git checkout br1 branch 1. Okay. So I just switch it to branch 1. Okay. Now if you see git branch, it shows it's a br1, right? Now if you see the logs here, git log one line. See, all these commits are made on master, right? But we can see all these commits at branch. Yes or no? Then how it is happen? How branch can access all these commits? You can just see here. So it is my master branch. It's a master branch. Okay. Master branch will have some multiple commit IDs, right? So multiple commit IDs are there. Okay. And it is our head, like recent commit, the most recent commit, right? So now we are creating branch. Okay. I said it is a main branch, like master branch. So at this master branch, we are creating a new branch, right? So that new branch will create on top of this master branch. Like, so at this statement, a new branch is going to create. Okay. So here a new branch is created, right? So on top of master branch. That is what are the commits we have on this master. We can get all these commits in branch. It's clear for you. What are the commits we have in master? Okay. We can get all these commits even at branch. Okay. Now if you want to create a branch at a specific commit, suppose I want to create a branch at this specific commit. Okay. So I can do it. Okay, it's a branch BR1, right? Now it is a branch BR2. BR2. So this branch BR1 is able to access all commit IDs. Okay, no? But go for branch BR2, it can see the code up to this commit ID. I said commit ID, some A, B, some C, different commit IDs are there. So branch BR1 enable to access all these commit IDs. BR1, right? But go for BR2, BR2 can access the code up to B. It's clear for you. So in our case, branch 1 is created here, so it can able to see all commit IDs. It's clear for you. Okay. So now I'll create one more branch here. I think we are in branch, right? We are in branch 1. Let me check out to master. So git checkout, git checkout to master. Okay, we just switch to master branch. So let me create one more branch here. So git log hyphen one line. See, I want to create a branch at this commit ID. Okay, at this commit ID. So what I will do is, so git branch br2. I'll give the commit ID. See, a new branch br2 is created. Okay, at this commit ID. Okay, we're given a specific commit ID, right? Now branch is created at this commit ID, right? Now if you see git branch command, it shows that there are two branches, br1 and br2, right? Then I will go do this git checkout br2. So we are in br2, right? See the files here. We can see the code up to a specific commit ID. Okay, we may not get all files, and if you see even the logs, git log br2. Git log hyphen one line. You can see this. You can see only the 3 commit IDs. Are you following or not? So branch 2 was created at this commit ID. Okay. So the process here. Fine. Now let me do some changes in my branch 1. Okay. I'll do some changes in this branch 1. Okay. See the process here. I'll do this git checkout br1. So we are in br1. Now let me create some new files here. Okay, like I said, vi some sample.c file like sample.c. I will add some code here. Okay, I'll add some code. Okay, some new code is added. Fine. Now what are changes we have to do here? Git add. Next word. Git commit -m some message. I said new C file. Next word. Git push origin master. Just wait. It's not master. It is a branch, right? BR1. So git push origin BR1 branch one. Username Sathya Devops password. So git log hyphen one line, fine. It's a new C file. And git branch. So we are at branch one, fine. So git push. First, let me see the status here. Git status. So nothing to commit. Okay. Git push origin. Fine. Already we have a branch here. So git push origin br1. There might be some changes in this one. I'm showing some rejected here. I will do one thing. First, I'll say git pull. Let me get the code changes. Fine. Fine it is. I'll just check out to BR1. So git checkout to BR1. It's already in BR1. Fine. Showing some same error. I'll check it once. So why it is throwing this error? Fine. I'll get my repository. Let me refresh this repository at first. Fine, branches are there. Let me get this code. Git clone. Fine. Let me verify the branches. Git branch. So let me go to repository first. So git branch. Fine. I'll create a new branch here. So git branch br1 I said, right? Git checkout br1. Then I will create some new file here. I said vi some sample.c sample.c. I'll add some code here. It can be any code. Okay, a new file is created. So what are the changes you have to do? First, add git add sample.c. The next one, git commit -m a message asset new C file git push origin br1. Update was detected because the tip of this current branch is behind git push -help. I'll get my copy. Just copy this key at first. We go to .ssh. The keys are there, right? Cat id rsa.pub is my public key. I think already this key is added. I'll just check this repository. I'll go for settings, deploy keys. Fine, this key is already added. Let me add. Fine. Allow this write access. Fine, this key is added. Right. Let's go to repository dev 6am. What's the command to set this key? I said git remote set URL origin, right? Git github.com github.com colon my account like Sathya Devops slash my project dev 6am dot git. I'll do some changes in this code. Set some hello good day something. This code is added. I'll commit these changes. Fine, this code is push. So we've seen up now how to create some different branches. Okay, said right a command like git branch br1. Okay, I show all these branches for you. So git branch. So it shows some branches like br1. If you want to create one more branch, yes, you can do it. Git branch br2. You can switch to other branches with a command like what? Git checkout. Git checkout br2. Okay, and you can do some changes in br2. I said we can add some code here. Okay, I said some sample .c or sample.txt something. You can add some text code here. What changes you can do? Git add sample.txt and git commit -m some message and then git push origin br2. So here the code is added to br2, branch 2, right? Now we are in branch 2 and you can see the files here. The file like sample.txt file is there in br2, right? But at master branch, we go to master. At master, we don't have file like sample.txt. Okay. Here my requirement is what? To get the code changes from branch 2 to master. Okay, it is my branch 2. Okay, and it is master. So I want to merge this code. I want to get this code from branch 2 to master, right? So I'll use a command here, merge. Okay, see this one? Can you see this file? A file like sample.txt. It is a branch 2. Okay, let's set git checkout to master. We are at master. Okay, we said ls. There's no file like sample.txt, right? So I want to get my code. So I'll get the code. The command what? Git merge. From where you want to merge this code? From branch 2. So git merge branch 2. So what are the changes we have at branch 2? So we can get it at master. It's clear. Now can you see this? We have this code sample.txt. Okay. So if you see git status, fine. Now we can just push the changes. Okay. Actually, we merge only this local branch, right? So let me apply the changes for remote branch. So how to apply the changes for remote branch? Git push. Okay. Git push origin master. Now it is going to push the changes. So earlier we don't have any file like sample.txt, right? At master branch, we don't have any file like this. If we refresh it, see, can you see this file? Sample.txt file is available. It's clear for you. So like this, we can use a merge command to get this code changes. Okay. See, up to now we discussed like how to create some branches and how to merge the code we discussed, right? Fine. Now I can see another important command here, git stash. Question is, what is git stash? See, git stash is a temporary memory area. I'll show this one. See, it is my working area. Okay. So here I have some tasks, some multiple tasks are there. Okay. So I'll do some task 1, task 2. Okay. I'll do some multiple tasks here. Now, I'm working on task 1. Okay. But I have a requirement to do a new task, like task 2. Okay. But here the thing is, task 1 is not completed. Task 1 is not completed. Okay. So if it completes, then I will just push to global repository, right? But it is not completed. It's not done. Then what I will do is I'll just store this task 1 into stash area. Okay. So we have a stash area here. Okay. I said stash is one temporary area. Okay. So there I can store my code. I'll just stash my code here. Can you see here? There are some stash IDs, stash 0, 1, 2. We have multiple stash IDs, right? So task 1, I'll simply place into stash. Okay. Then I will work on some different tasks. What is my new task here? Task 2, right? I'll just work on task 2. I'll do some changes in task 2. If it is done, I'll just push the code to global repository. Yeah, it's done. Then I want to get my work back. Okay. So earlier we were kept this work, the task 1 in a stash area, right? Now I want to get that work back. How to get it? Here you can use some commands like apply. So the apply command, what are the code we have in stash area? We can get it back. Okay, is what command like apply. It's clear for you. Next one, I can use some more commands like pop. See this pop command, This pop will simply drop that stash, drop the task here from the stash area, but it will apply that work. Okay, no? It will apply that work and go for drop. It will simply drop that task from stash. Okay, it won't apply it. It will simply drop it. It's clear for you. Next one I said cleared. Get cleared. So it is going to clear our stash. Okay, no? So how to get the work back? First thing you can use apply. If you do apply, what will happen? We can get the work back. Okay, no? We can get this work back. Is what apply. And next one I said pop. In case of pop, what will happen? It remove the task, but the task will apply. If you go for drop it won't apply any task. It will simply drop a specific task. We said clear is going to clear the total stash. Okay. Then how to define the stash area? It is one temporary memory area, right? See this code here. So git stash temporarily shelves the changes you have made to your working copy. So what are changes we are made in this working copy? So it will simply shelves the changes. Okay, and working copy. So you can work on something else. You can work on something else. So in my earlier case, I'm working on task 1, right? If task 2 is entered, then I will do what? I'll simply place my task 1 into stash area. Okay. So then I can work on something else, then come back, reapply them later on. Okay. I'll just come back, then I will apply it later on. Okay. Next one, stashing is a way. It's a way to pass what you are currently working. What is stashing here? It's a way to pass what you are currently working. Okay. So my current work, I'll simply pass. I have task 1, right? I just pass this work. Okay. Currently working on and come back to it later. Okay. It's clear for you? So what a git stash here? Git stash will do what? It temporarily shelf. Okay. Or stashes the changes you have made to your working copy. Once we kept the work in the stash area and we can work on what? Something else, some different task. Okay. Then how to create the stashes? You can see here. If you want to save any stash, you can do this command like git stash, or you can say git stash save some message. Okay, I'll do this process. It's up to date, fine. So I'm working on some specific task here. I said vi some demo.java, right? I'll add some methods here. I'll add some new methods. Here I said some code like void deposit, a function like deposit. Okay, it's a deposit method. You can have some code here. And one more method like some withdraw. Okay. So here I'm doing some changes in my code, but I said this task is not completed, but I have some new task to perform. What I will do, I'll simply place my work in a stash area. Can you see there are some two methods here, deposit and withdraw, right? What I will do is I'll simply stash my work. How to stash it? Git stash, save some message. You can just say like, I said bank transactions. Okay, bank transactions, some message here. Okay, so it is saved. So see this one, saved working directory. Okay, and index states on master. What is the message here? Bank transaction. Now head is now at this commit ID. What is this commit ID? C287173. See git log hyphen hyphen one line is our most recent commit ID. Head refers this point. Are you following or not? Fine. Now this current work is stash. The command like git stash save or current work is stash. Okay. Now if you see this, I'll open this file like demo.java. See, can you see the code here? No, right? Actually, we have created two functions here: deposit withdraw function, right? But we are unable to get the code, right? For the reason that code was kept in stash area. It is stash. Okay. So see git stash list. Can you see it is a stash bank transactions? Okay, it is saved in our git stash. And what is stash ID here? Stash 0. Are you following or not? Is my stash ID. Okay, fine. Now I look on some different file here. I said some VA, some sample.c, something. Okay, I'll work on some different file. I will add some code here. Okay, into some different task here. I will just add these changes. Then I will commit new code git commit hyphen m. Okay, it's a new code and git push origin master. That is some task 2 is completed, right? Okay, so I was kept my task 1 into stash area, right? Then I'm working on task 2. Now task 2 is completed, it's done, it's already pushed. Once task 2 is completed, then what we can do? We can get the work back. How to get this work back? You can use a command word apply. Apply command you can use here. See here, if you say git stash list, it is my stash ID. Then how to apply it? Git stash apply stash ID. See this one, it's applied. Okay. Now demo.java file is modified. Modified. Okay. We just apply this stash. Now let me open this file va demo.java. Can you see this? So earlier this code was kept in stash area, right? So again we got this code. Are you following them? Again we got this code. Then we can simply add these changes, right? And we can commit these changes. Some bank transaction, something. Then we can push it. Okay. This is what some git stash. So how define git stash is a temporary memory area. But one thing it is, the stash IDs are not permanent. These IDs will change. Suppose in future we have one more task here. Suppose I have a task 2. Okay. If task 2 enters, then task 1 goes to next level. Okay, now see here. Earlier task 1 is at stash 0 position, right? Now task 2 is entered here, right? Then task 1 will goes to next level. In future, if you just delete this task 2, again task 1 goes to the earlier position. It's clear for you. If you see this, I'll do some more changes in a file. I want to stash it. So how to stash? Git stash. Some message I said, right? Git stash. Let me provide some message like some new code something. Okay, fine. Now if you see this git stashes, git stash list. So it is our earlier one bank transactions. It was in stash 0, right? Now it is moved to stash 1. Now it is new stash. Okay, no. Like this stash IDs are not permanent. They will keep on changes. Okay. Then how to drop the stashes? I said right. Git stash. If you want to apply it, you can say apply. But this apply command will simply apply the stashes, but it won't drop. Okay. But if you do git pop stash ID, then what will happen? Git stash will apply the changes. Okay, simply apply the changes. Then it can drop. See this git stash list? The stash was dropped. Okay, can you see this message here? Dropped stash 0. Okay, now let me commit these changes. What we made? Commit hyphen am. What is hyphen am? We can add and apply a message. New code and git push. It's clear. This code is push. Now if you see this git stashes, so git stash list, there's one stash here, stash 0 is there, right? So here I want to remove the stashes. So I can use what? Git stash drop. Git stash drop stash ID. Git stash drop and say stash ID. It's clear for you. Then the stash is going to drop. Or if you want to clear this entire stash, how to clear it? Git stash clear. It's going to clear all stashes. So how to define stash here? A stash is a temporary memory area. So what we can do? We can simply store our work in stash area. Okay. Next in Git, we have some more important concepts here, like Git rebase. Okay. In this question, we'll ask in interviews, how will differentiate Git merge and Git rebase? Git rebase, we'll see this concept on tomorrow. Okay, I'll tell you. And one more thing, how to create some tags, Git tags. Okay, we'll see that thing in tomorrow. And in Git, we have some different resets, hard reset, soft reset. Okay, so how to do this Git reset? You can see this one. Okay, and how to pull these changes, like Git pull command, how to use Git pull command, you can see here. And some more changes. Generally, you get the questions like this, like how to create some branches, how to merge the code, and how to delete branches. See, in our case, we have some branches, right? See this branch? BR1 and BR2 is there, right? I want to remove these branches. I said git branch hyphen D, a branch name. Suppose I said branch 2, I want deleted. Then branch 2 is going to delete. It's clear for you. But it is deleted only in local branch, but not global branch. Still global branch is available. Yes or no? So git branch hyphen D branch 2. This command we deletes only local branch, but not remote branch. Then how to remove remote branch? Yes. Git push origin hyphen delete branch 2. So how delete a remote branch? So I'm using two different commands here. One is to delete a local branch and to delete remote branch. To delete what? Local branch, and it is to delete the remote branch. Then this question will ask in interviews, like how can you delete a local branch or remote branch? Okay, how will remote branch? Git push origin hyphen hyphen delete the branch name. It's going to delete the branch. It's clear for you. Okay, you can just go with this. So any queries up to now? I said right, we have some more important concept like git rebase. It's very important. We'll see that one on tomorrow. Okay, fine. Any questions up to now? Conflicts, yeah, conflicts. I'll show this one tomorrow. Yeah, show history. This history, what we need. You can just contact the office, Mr. Sharon. Okay. How to create GitHub account? I said right, just like your Gmail, how to create Gmail account, same way create GitHub account, no issues. Just go for GitHub. Okay. So in GitHub you can see it is my account, like some Sathya Devops. Just provide your email ID. You'll get simply create one account. Very simple method. Yes, conflict will rise. Yes, if multiple developers are modifying the repository, conflicts will rise. Yes, yeah. I'll show this on tomorrow. Yes, how to resolve the conflict. I'll show on tomorrow. Right. Okay. Fine. Fine. I just stop the session here. We'll see on tomorrow with some different things. Like I said, right? Git rebase and how to work Git rebase, Git pull, and Git reset, and some conflicts. How to resolve the conflicts. We'll see on tomorrow. Okay. Right. Thank you.